students, welcome to Vidya Myriad. This video is made for class 10 on chapter number 4 quadratic equations, and today we are going to do exercise 4.4 from Ncert. Before we begin with the exercise, let us understand how to find the different types of roots of equation on the basis of discriminant, which is very easy to find. Now we know that quadratic equation is in a form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So when we know this, we can find the value of the discriminant by the formula of b square minus 4ac. Now when we get the value of this, we can find out what type of roots of equation it will have. Now if the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, it means it will have two distinct real roots, and we can find those real roots with the help of middle term splitting method or with the help of the quadratic equation formula. Now if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, it means it will have two equal roots, and we can find those by putting it into minus b upon 2a. And thirdly, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, it means it has no real roots. So we will be solving this quadratic equation with the help of discriminant, and we will find out what type of roots it has. Let's begin with the exercise. Question number 1. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real roots exist, find them. So first part is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. It is in a form of a quadratic equation where a is 2, b is minus 3 and c is 5. Let's find out the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. On solving this, we get minus 3. What does it mean? Discriminant is less than 0. And when discriminant is less than 0, it means it has no real roots possible for this particular equation. Second part, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Here a is 3, b is minus 4 root 3 and c is 4. Let's find out the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. It comes out equal to 0. That means there exist real roots which are equal to each other, and we will use minus b upon 2a as a formula for this. Put the value of b and a, you will get 2 root 3 upon 3 as your answer, which can be further written as 2 upon root 3 or 2 upon root 3 as your final answer. You can also leave it at 2 root 3 upon 3. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. Here a is 2, b is minus 6 and c is 3. So discriminant is b square minus 4ac, which comes out to be 12, which means here discriminant is greater than 0. What does it mean? There exist distinct real roots, and we will find out with the help of the quadratic formula, that is minus b plus minus underscore or square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We know a is 2, b is minus 6 and c is 3. Put this in the formula, you will be reaching at 6 plus minus square root of 12 upon 4, which can be further reduced, and the value of x comes out to be x plus minus root 3 upon 2. Since it is plus minus, so the two distinct roots are 3 plus root 3 upon 2 and 3 minus root 3 upon 2. Question number 2. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Now the equation given is 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0, where a is 2, b is k and c is 3. So discriminant is b square minus 4ac, and we know for equal roots discriminant should be equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac, when you put the values, you get k square minus 24. Let us equate it equal to 0 to find out the equal roots. K square is equal to 24, k comes out to be plus minus square root of 24, which means plus minus 2 root 6. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Open the bracket and you will get kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Where a is k, b is minus 2k and c is 6. And what is discriminant? b square minus 4ac, which comes out to be 4k square minus 24k, and for equal root it should be equated equal to 0. So 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. We will find out the value of k here. It comes out to be 4k equal to 0, so k is 0, and k minus 6 equal to 0, so k is 6. Now in this case, if I take k as 0, then equation cannot have the terms of x square and x. Therefore, we will take the equation as two distinct roots where k should be 6 only. The value of k will be considered as 6 and not equal to 0. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. So let us assume the length of the mango groove be L and the length of the mango groove will be 2L. So breadth is L and length is 2L. What is the area of a rectangular field? Length into breadth. That means 2L into L, which is given as 800. So 800 is equal to 2L square. So what will come L? L will come as plus minus 20. Since the length cannot be negative, we will take it only the positive values. So breadth is 20 and the length is 40. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in year was 48. So, what are we going to do? We will assume the age of one friend be x years. The other friend will be 20 minus x years, because sum of 2 is 20. If one is x, the other will be naturally 20 minus x. Now they are talking about 4 years ago. So you need to subtract 4 from both of the friends. For first friend it becomes x minus 4. For second friend it becomes 20 minus x minus 4, which means 16 minus x year. And the situation we are told according to the question, product of their ages is equal to 48. What is the product? X minus 4, 16 minus x is equal to 48. From the quadratic equation you get minus x square plus 20x minus 112 equal to 0. Now since x square is having minus, so we will change the sign, and then the new situation becomes x square minus 20x plus 112 equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation where a is 1, b is minus 20 and c is 112. Let us find out what type of solutions it has by finding the discriminant. Now discriminant is b square minus 4ac. When you use that, you get discriminant as minus 48. So when your discriminant is less than 0, that means there will be no real solution possible for this equation, and thus condition cannot exist. Next, is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 and area 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. Now first let us assume length be L and breadth be B. So perimeter of a rectangular park is 2 into L plus B, which is given as 80. So that means L plus B is 40. We can divide the equation by 2 and B comes out to be 40 minus L. Or we can also relate with L is equal to 40 minus B. Anything you can do. Now area is given to us, that is 400. What is the formula for area? Length into breadth. Length we have taken L and breadth we know 40 minus L. We will substitute it. We will equate it into quadratic equation. It becomes L square minus 40L plus 400 equal to 0, which is in a form of a square plus bx plus c equal to 0, which means we can find out a as 1, b is minus 40 and c is 400. Let's find out the discriminant and then we will decide about the real roots. B square minus 4ac you get equal to 0. When b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, or when discriminant is equal to 0, it means it will have equal real roots, which we will put into the formula minus b upon 2a. We know the value of b and a, so we can put it minus of minus 40 upon 2 is equal to, that comes out to be 20. It means length of the rectangular park is 20 and breadth will become again 20, that is 40 minus L. So 40 minus 20 is 20. That's all for this exercise, children. I hope you must have found it easy. Just remember the things, how to find out the discriminant and what happens when discriminant is greater than 0, equal to 0 or less than 0. If you know this, then it is very easy to find out the factors or the roots of the equation. Thank you very much, children, for watching the video till the end. Very soon I am going to come with the next Till then, see you children. Goodbye. Take care.